Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about what is malnutrition, what are its types, symptoms, causes, and what are the diseases related to malnutrition. Also, why malnutrition is caused and what are the preventive measures or treatments that can be used to treat malnutrition. The main motive of this is to let you know about the main diseases caused because of malnutrition that India is suffering so that we all can join to prevent this disease. Let us continue with this presentation. Starting with what is malnutrition. It is basically means bad nourishment. We all eat food to get nutrients. When a person's diet does not have enough nutrients or the correct balance of nutrients for optimum health, it is referred to as malnutrition. It is a disease that occurs when a person's diet lacks a sufficient amount of one or more nutrients. This involves food that are either deficient in nutrients or too rich in nutrients, resulting in health issues. Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals are some of the nutrients which causes malnutrition. Next one is types of malnutrition. There are basically three types of malnutrition. First one is undernutrition, in which there is lack of nutrients, which occurs when a person does not consume enough calories, proteins, or micronutrients. Second one is overnutrition. It refers to a surplus of nutrients. It is in the form of obesity, in which a person have excess of nutrients into his or her body. Third one is extreme malnutrition. It is also known as starvation or chronic hunger, in which a person does not get food for many days. It is basically caused due to the poverty. What are the symptoms of malnutrition? It means the person is getting sick frequently. Fatigue and anemia. That means the person is getting tired constantly after doing some work. He or she is getting tired and her or his body does not have enough red blood cells. Third one is weight loss and stunted growth. The person is suffering from weight loss. He or she is constantly losing his or her weight. Also, the person is too short for his age. Fourth one is poor appetite and taste changes, in which the person does not get hungry. His or her body does not take food that is required by the body. Also, the taste changes. What are the causes of malnutrition? There are many factors which causes malnutrition. The most common of these are low income, overpopulation, ignorance and scarcity of food. Now, in the days of pandemic, these factors are highly responsible for malnutrition as people do not have income and they are not able to get food or they are not able to provide food for their families. Malnutrition diseases. Malnutrition can be caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals and also due to decreased nutrient absorption and direct nutrient loss. There are also some diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of vitamins and minerals, which are basically because of undernutrition of vitamins. The diseases caused are night blindness, caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, beriberi, caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B, scurvy, caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C, and rickets, caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Because of undernutrition of minerals, there are also some diseases that are caused. For example, brittle bones caused due to the deficiency of calcium, goiter caused due to the deficiency of iodine, anemia caused due to the deficiency of iron, and growth retardation caused due to the deficiency of zinc. How can we cure malnutrition? What are the treatments or preventive measures that can be used to treat malnutrition? First one is by providing vitamins and mineral supplement, also by correcting deficiencies. Vitamins and mineral deficiencies can be corrected by giving vitamin and mineral supplements, by providing financial and emotional support, providing financial help to the poor people, balanced diet by giving proper diet to the person who is suffering from malnutrition, also by taking advice from the doctors. High energy and protein rich food, we should give high energy food to the person who is suffering from malnutrition. Dietary changes also, if the person is suffering from specific deficiency of vitamin and minerals, we can give proper food that require those vitamins and minerals. No child is born to die. For saving India from malnutrition, we should be the change, and we can start by ourselves. By supporting an NGO and by donating to charity, we can save India from malnutrition.